Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs, the channel where you will find modern interior design videos related to interior decoration and designs. Today we have bring modern wonderful hallway design ideas for your home. Hallways simply are a windowless walkway, a straight line to get from point A to point B. It's not a place you generally linger, like a kitchen island or family room sofa. There's no place to sit down, nothing to look at. What if instead of a closed off corridor, it was a gallery, a library, or even an architectural highlight of your house? Your hallway set the mood and tone for your entire home. So rather than playing it safe, create a vibrant and welcoming space that reflect both your taste and style of the rest of the house. Whether you prefer something bold and dramatic or calm and elegant, take an entrance hall from dull to delight to make the great first impression. From statement stairs and stylish lighting to bright colors, matte murals and wonderful wallpaper, or deep dark painted walls, or grown-up glamour, there are countless ways to create lasting impact. Hallway can do more than connect your rooms, they can reflect you and your personality. How they reflect you depend on the size of your hallway and your style, of course. You are not going to squeeze a console table into a 3-foot wide hallway, and you are probably going to need more than a few 8x10 pictures if you have a long hallway that's 5 feet wide. As with any design, you have to consider scale and function along with style. In this video, you will find great hallway decorating ideas for you to get inspired. The most obvious way to upgrade your hallway is to do a gallery wall, a curated collection of your favorite art pieces or photographs. You can display them in a modern grid style with matching frames or mishmash of frames and sizes for a more eclectic thrown together look. Consider highlighting your gallery wall with directional lighting to showcase your favorite artwork or cherished memory. Frame the space with painted skirting board and recreate a dado effect in paint. Then take the design all the way around the room, doors included for extra impact. If you have a more width, you can showcase sculptures, pottery or art in built-in alcoves or bookshelves. Spotlights on these pieces make a dramatic statement, turn your hallway into a library, and this can add color, dimension and function to an otherwise unused space. If you prefer a cleaner look but still want to add styles, then you can add custom millwork. It creates an architectural feature out of a blank slate. Bare wall become an artwork themselves. Creatively worked ceilings draw the eye upwards. Don't forget about what's under your feet. The floor can be a great place to add pop-up of color and patterns. Wood planks can be shaped into a pattern different from traditional patterns in your room. Intricately designed runners add warmth and style to the space. You may be tempted to overlook lighting in the hallway. Most hallways have one, maybe two standard ceiling lights. Maybe there are flushed lights or recessed, but chances are they are not very interesting. Small chandeliers can add drama to the ceiling. Spotlighting artwork add interest and direct the eye across the wall. Sconces can also sculptural interest to otherwise bare wall. Stunning entrance halls are not only for child-free. A bright color stair runner is practical for high traffic areas, plus it will help draw the eye up and can create a fun contemporary feel that packs a punch. Hallway receiving a daily bashing or for hard wearing but pretty encaustic tiles or chic marble slabs that don't compromise on style. Nothing transforms a hallway more easily and cost effectively than a new doormat. With so many shapes, colors and designs to choose from, you can completely choose the vibe of your entrance in an instant. Whether it's the new season or change or simply the style refresh. Just remember to check that it's made a hard wearing material such as coir, jute or optimum shoe wiping capabilities. Bounce light around your hallway by going for reflective surfaces where you can on furniture, floors and even paint, especially if you have chosen a darker color scheme. Small hallways often lack windows, which can make your hallway feel dark, but you can get around this by installing a glazed front door or semi-glazed instead to allow plenty of lights to flood the room. A smart striped carpet in the hallway is not only great for hiding dirt, but the subtle patterns create an illusion that there is more length or width if it's laid horizontally to the room. Double the impact by paring back the rest of the scheme with the neutral color patterns or palettes that will help draw the eye down to the carpet, make it the star of the show. Add pattern to your hallway without compromising the feel of open space by wallpapering your fifth wall, that is the ceiling. Modern geometric design in ceiling can draw the eye upward to show off the awesome statement ceiling, creating a stylish decorative effect. A narrow table is the ultimate pretty but practical addition to a hallway. It provides storage for keys and other bits and pieces, as well as a surface on which the display photographs, candle and trinkets can be kept. Frame the table with a vase, lamp and a mirror overhead. If you have a large and busy household, why not install a box storage where everything has its rightful place? This can be a great solution for cutting down on time spent tripping over each other trying to find codes and keys in the morning. Don't just use the hallway as a place to dump your bags and shoes at the end of the day. Give it the same love and attention that you would any room. Adding greenery will make it feel a more homely space and is great for you well-being. 2. Give it a nice welcome as you would walk through the door. A vintage dresser or wardrobe can stand in as a console table in a wider hallway, giving you extra storage and adding character to the space. Complete the look with complementary pieces like an ornate wall mirror or comfortable, comfy armchairs. It's always nice to be welcome home to the cozy glow or soft lightings, especially on a dark, cold night. Adding a lamp to your hallway gives you the option of layering your lighting according to the need, so you don't always have to rely on your main lights. A good tip is to hook up your lamp to switch by front door, so you don't have to fumble your way across the dark hallway to turn it on. It's easy to reserve the space under your stairs for the vacuum cleaner and broom, but why not transform it into an office with a desk, cupboard, shelves and a notice board instead? If you have enough room to pull up a chair and comfortable walk behind it, then there's plenty of space for a desk. Families can have a lot of stuff that often get dumped as soon as you are through the front door. So keep it tidy by giving a little ones their own special storage and encouraging them to use it. Low-level hooks look funky and keep it easy for kids to hang their own coats, while a bench beneath offers a practical place for many shoes and boots you each own. Railway-style luggage racks are an excellent choice for a narrow hallway, giving you a spot to hang coats and hats without taking up too much rooms. You can hunt down beautiful vintage luggage rack at flea market or online, often at bargain price, while modern recreational may give you the bonus of extra features like additional coat hooks. To create a sense of cohesion through your home, use the same flooring from the hallway in other ground level floors. Wood and laminate are ideal for areas that get heavy football, as they are long lasting and durable. Our top tip is to lay the plank so they run away from the door to increase the sense of space. Hallway naturally get lot of traffic with people coming and going in dirty footwear and can be difficult to keep clean. Combat this by using suitable heavy duty mats. Pop a rubber mat outside a coir inside and you will notice a difference. Give visitors something to talk about with a new and exciting paint effect. Two-tone walls with a darker black color at the bottom are a hot decorating trend and work practically well in hallways where white walls get dirty quickly. Hallways often end up far down the list of decorating jobs and can end up looking lackluster and boring. Instead, have fun with this space and use it to try out bold and bright schemes. When you open the front door, you want guests to think wow, so give them something to talk about by showing off a piece of striking furniture. friends, hope you like this video, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decor designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trends in interior decoration. Bookmark this site for more interior design ideas in future. Alternatively, you can also follow us on social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video completely, and for more such videos keep us subscribed. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.